In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to find recently deleted apps on your Android device. If you have accidentally deleted an app and want to get it back, don't worry, I've got you covered. It can be frustrating when important apps are deleted by mistake, but with the right steps, you can easily reinstall them. To get started, open up the Google Play Store and then tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner. After that, tap where it says, Manage Apps and Device. And then tap, Manage. Now you'll see all the apps installed on your device. To find the apps that you downloaded at some point in time but are not currently installed on your device, tap where it says, Installed. And then select, Not Installed. Now you will find a list of all the apps you have downloaded or purchased previously. To see the recently deleted apps, tap over here. And then select, Recently Updated. Now the list is sorted by the date you deleted these apps, and you see the most recently deleted app at the very top of the list. You can tap on any of these apps to reinstall them on your device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.